सन by सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी and आनंद मोहन बोस 1885 नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस सेकेंड सेशन सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी और आनंद मोहन बोस INC established on 28 दिसंबर 1885 at गोकुलदास तेजपाल संस्कृत स्कूल बॉम्बे फाउंडर एलन ऑक्टेवियन होम myth versus reality naming दादाभाई नौरोजी फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट WC बनर्जी फर्स्ट सेक्रेटरी LAO होम इनिशियल मेंबर 72 with no representative from बिहार वाइसरॉय लॉर्ड डफरिन 1886 INC से सेकेंड सेशन कलकत्ता दादाभाई नौरोजी ग्रैंड ओल्ड मैन ऑफ इंडिया 31 डेलीगेट्स फ्रॉम बिहार पार्टिसिपेट द नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस मर्ज विथ कांग्रेस ड्यू टू सिमिलर ऑब्जेक्टिव 1892 A girls' school established by Aghor Kamini Devi, mother of B.C. Roy, in Bagipur, Patna. 1894 For separation of Bihar, Bihar Times, Bihar newspaper started in Patna. 1894 Mahesh Narayan was the chief editor. Other leaders Sachidanand Sinha, Sri Krishna Sahai, Nand Kishore Lal were associated with the movement for separate Bihar. 1905 Partition of Bengal was announced on 20 July 1905 by Lord Curzon and implemented on 16 October 1905. Real reason to weaken the nationalist spirit. Anti-Bengal partition movement began all over India. In Darbhanga, Raksha Bandhan was celebrated by Satish Chandra Chakrabarti in protest on 16 October 1905. 1906 Bihar Student Conference, the first such conference in India, was founded by the Rajendra Prasad with Sri Krishna Singh and Tajeshwar Prasad in Patna. Babaji Thakur Das established Ram Krishna Society of Patna. Bihar Times 1894 changed to Bihari. 1906 Cunningham placed Babu Bheswar Prasad. 1908 Bihar Pradesh Congress Committee was formed. Ali Hassan Imam became the first president. First session of Bihar Pradeshik Sammelan held at Patna. 1908 Resolution for separate Bihar by Fakhruddin passed unanimously. मुजफ्फरपुर बॉम्ब केस 30 अप्रैल 1908 रिवॉल्यूशन खुदीराम बोस एंड रिवॉल्यूशनरीज खुदीराम बोस एंड प्रफुल्ला चंद्र चाकी टारगेट जज किंग्स फोर्ट ऑफ बिहार ऑफ मुजफ्फरपुर द ब्लास्ट किल्ड प्रिंगल किडनी वाइफ एंड डॉटर इंस्टेड बोथ फ्लेड टुवर्ड समस्तीपुर चाकी कमिटेड सुसाइड एट मोकामा स्टेशन ऑन 2 मई 1908 खुदीराम was arrested at Pusa. Khudiram was hanged on 11 August 1908 at the age of 18. Kalidas was his lawyer. 1909 second session of Bihar Provincial Congress held at Bhagalpur. 1909 presided by Sachidanand Sinha with the help of Deep Narayan Singh. Demand for separate Bihar retreated. 1911 in the Central Legislative Council. 1911 Sachidanand Sinha and Muhammad Ali presented the proposal for division of Bengal and Bihar. At the Delhi Darbar, 12 December 1911, Royal Court Delhi, Bihar and Odisha were announced as a new province separate from Bengal. On the same day, partition of Bengal was cancelled. 1912 27 session of INC Bakipur, Patna. 1912 Chairman R.N. Udhulkar, General Secretary Sachidanand Sinha welcome Mazharul Haq. J.L. Nehru participated first time in Congress session. A.O. Home declared founding father of Congress. Membership fee reduced to 5 to 1. 1913 Sachendra Nath Sanyal established branch of Anushoolan Samiti in Patna. Bankim Chandra Mitra of BN College managed Anushoolan Samiti, founded the Hindu Boys Association. 1914 A special session in Bakipur to oppose Patna University Bill in 1914 introduced by Shankaran Nair in 1916. A Congress delegation including two from Bihar, Mazharul Haq, Sachidanand Sinha, reached England. 1915 Bankim Chandra और अखिल चंद्र और रघुबीर सिंह distributed Liberty leaflet. Banaras conspiracy case Sachin Sanyal and Bankim Chandra Mitra arrested. 7th Bihar Provincial Congress Conference Chhapra Nand Kishore Lal headed. 1916 Home Rule Movement founded in Bihar. 16 December 1916 Patna. Chairman Mazharul Haq, Vice President Khan Bahadur Sarfaraz Hussain Khan, Secretary Chandrabansi Sahai, Purandar Narayan Sinha. Annie Besant visited Patna twice in 1918 18 अप्रैल और 25 जुलाई. पटना यूनिवर्सिटी बिल 1916 प्रेजेंटेड इन सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल बाई सर शंकर नायर। लखनऊ सेशन ऑफ INC 1916 राजकुमार शुक्ल रेज द चंपारण इशू। ब्रज किशोर प्रसाद सपोर्टेड बाई प्रेजेंटिंग द प्रपोजल। होम रूल इन मुजफ्फरपुर जनकधारी प्रसाद। बिहार टाइम्स नो लॉन्गर टू बी पब्लिश्ड। 1917 गांधी जी प्रिसाइडेड ओवर बिहार स्टूडेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस इन भागलपुर ऑन 15 अक्टूबर 1917। चंपारण सत्याग्रह गांधी रीच पटना on 10 April 1917 from Kolkata then Muzaffarpur same night. Welcome by Acharya J.B. Kripalani and Champaran Motihari on 15 April 1917. Stayed at the house of Sant Raut in Amolwa village. 18 April 1917 first time Gandhi ji agreed to go to jail. Nazrul Haq and Braj Kishore Prasad were to lead after that. 27 April 1917 Gandhi reached Rajkumar Shukla's village Murli Bharahwa. Gandhi's letter to Irvin dated 28 May 1917 talked of Hirman Lohar exploitation. Peer Muhammad Muniz highlighted the plight of Champaran peasant under pseudonyms like Dukhi Atma, Dukhi Hridaya. C.F. Andrew supported Gandhi. Farmers were forced to cultivate indigo on 3 out of 20 13 Kathiya system 25-30 year. Hindu patriot by Harish Chandra Mukherjee supported indigo farmers. The system was exploited and the indigo crop was barren, so indigo farmers revolted under Ghulam and Sheetal Roy in 1907-1908. District Magistrate W.J. Hardcock issued notification 16 April 1917 asking Gandhi to leave Champaran. Gandhi arrested under section 144 but released on 21 April 1917. Gandhi was charged in court but refused bail. The magistrate released him on bond. Gandhi's popularity in Champaran rose overnight. Cook Battak Mia saved Gandhiji from poisoned milk by indigo planter Irvin. Champaran Agrarian Committee 13 May 1917 formed by Government Chairman F.G. Salai, Madhya Pradesh Commissioner. Member Gandhi ji, L.C. Ardami, Raja Hariyar Prasad, Narayan Singh, D.J. Reed, G. Daini. Recommendation: Abolition of 10 Kathiya system, 25% illegal collection refunded to farmer. 4 October 1917 report of committee present. 19 November 1917 Champaran Agrarian Bill introduced. 1 May 1918 Champaran Agrarian Act passed. Result: first experiment of Satyagraha in India successful. Associated of Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, Braj Kishore Prasad, Anubhav Narayan Singh, Dharanidhar, Nazrul Haq, Rajkumar Shukla, Ramnabi Prasad, Babu Gaya Prasad Singh, Mahadev Desai, J.B. Kripalani, Narhari Parekh, Shambhu Sharan Verma. Gandhi nominated Janakdhari Prasad to lead peasant and Motihari ashram before leaving. Welfare initiative: first school of Gandhi at Barharawa. Lakhan Sen, donation from Shiv Gulam Bakshi, a local villager. Second at Bhitarwa, West Champaran. Sanitation, health, women upliftment along with Kasturba Gandhi. J.B. Kripalani was teacher at Bhumihar Brahman College, Muzaffarpur. Maheshwar Prasad S. Nilahe Saheb Raiyat. Edward Albert Gate, Deputy Governor 1918. Hasan Imam presided over the Bombay Congress session 1918 to consider Montford reform. Searchlight Sachidanand Sinha and Hasan Imam 1919. Hasan Imam was a key member of Khilafat delegation that travelled to England in 1919, where he hanged with Edwin Samuel Montagu, the then Secretary of State for India. 6 April 1919 was a nationwide day of humiliation and prayer called Mahatma Gandhi to protest against the repressive Rowlatt Act passed. Hasan Imam led to Patna. No reason to be happy. Rajendra Prasad, Darbhanga Kisan Movement. June 1919 farmer of Madhubani and Darbhanga protested against high rent. Leader Swami Vidyanand. The movement ended by 1920 after Darbhanga Raj conceded rent reduction. Khilafat movement 1919 Context: after World War I, protest against humiliating condition imposed on Turkish Khalifa. Leader Muhammad Ali Shaukat Ali came to Patna. Leader in Bihar Mazrul Haq, Bai Amma Abadi Bano Begum. Gandhi supported the movement to bring Muslim cooperation in the national struggle. November 1919 Patna meeting chaired by Hassan Imam. Boycott of peace ceremony decided. 30 November 1919 a mass meeting at Anjuman Islamia Hall, Patna, presided by Maulana Shah Rashidul Haq in support of the movement. 1920 SP Sinha, first Indian to become governor of Bihar and Odisha. JP left college 20 days before final exam. 19 March 1920 Muslim of Bihar went on a strike in support of Khilafat. April 1920 Shaukat Ali visited Patna. Khilafat ran jointly with non-cooperation till 1924. Non-cooperation movement launched Kolkata special session September 1920. Chairman Lala Rajpat Rai. 1 अगस्त 1920 गांधी लॉन्च नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. 28 अगस्त 1920 बिहार प्रोविंशियल conference presided by Dr. Rajendra Prasad passed a resolution to support NCM. Only Gujarat and Bihar supported the NCM before the Kolkata resolution. Muthia system to raise fund for Tilak Swaraj fund by keeping aside grain before meal, especially by women. November 1920 Nasibandi movement in Shahabad. Nagpur session 1920 proposal moved by C.R. Das, approved by C. Vijay Raghavacharya. Top leader Rajendra Prasad and Hassan Imam. Deep Narayan Singh Bhagalpur. Muhammad Safi Muzaffarpur. Most serious in Tirhut Muzaffarpur. Teacher student left school. Lawyer abstained. Strike in government press Patna. Cultivate led by Jain monk Swami Vidyanand. 1921 Governor SP Sinha resigned due to bad health. Women in Bihar donated their jewelry in 1921 when Gandhi visited the state to collect fund for the Deshbandhu Fund. Rajendra Prasad left advocacy, become principal of National College Patna. Mahendra Prasad returned the title Rai Sahab, resigned the magistrate post. Mazrul Haq became chancellor of National College. Established Sadakat Ashram near Digha on land donated by Khairu Mian. Swaraj Sabha Gaya 1921 started newspaper Motherland. 30 September 1921 from Sadakat Ashram to spread nationalism. Bihar Vidyapeeth National College inaugurated 6 Feb 1921 Patna. Gandhi inaugurated. Rajendra Prasad principal, Mazrul Haq chancellor, Braj Kishore Prasad vice chancellor. Bihar was included in All India Congress Committee Working Committee in July 1921. October 1921 16 Bihar Student Conference held at Hazaribagh. Bihar National Volunteer Corps Qawmi Seva Dal formed on 27 November 1921. Bihar Provincial Congress 1921 in Ara under Muhammad Safi. 22 December 1921 Crown Prince of Wales visited Patna. Strike organized. 1922 Flag conspiracy in Bhagalpur. Chauri Chaura incident. 5 February 1922 Gandhi suspended non-cooperation. 12 February 1922 Emirat-e Syria found at Fulwadi by Maulana Sajjad to promote non-cooperation with Britishers. 27 session of INC 1922 Gaya. Chairman Chittaranjan Das. Debate on ending non-cooperation led to difference. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru advocated entering election. Formation of Swaraj Party. Tana Bhagat attended. Kisan Sabha in Munger organized by Mohammad Zubair and Sri Krishna Singh. 1923 18 July 1923 celebrated Janda Divas in Bihar. Rajendra Prasad became mayor of Patna municipality. Swaraj Party in Bihar. Feb 1923 formed by Sri Krishna Singh. First President Bihar Sri Narayan Prasad. Secretary Abdul Bari. Won 8 seats in Assembly and 10 seats in Council. Objective: enter the legislature and oppose policies from within. 1924 Bihar Provincial Congress Committee and Khilafat Conference meeting at Purnia under Sri Krishna Singh. Communal right Bhagalpur most affected. The All India Spinner Association, often known as Akhil Bharat Charkha Sangh, founded in 1925 at Patna. Journal Yuvak 1924. 1926 First Khadi exhibition of Bihar at Bihar Vidyapeeth Patna under Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 1927 Patna Yuvak Sangh established by Manindra Narayan under the leadership of Krishna Balraj Sahai. Leader Manifesto by Ismail Ali Imam Sachin Bakshi. Arrested in Bhagalpur 1928. Simon Commission 1928 arrived to review Montego Chelmsford reform. 1919 reached Patna 12 December 1928. Nationwide protest since no Indian member was included in Bihar. Patna protest 12 December 1928 was led by Anugrah Narayan Singh. Bihar Yuvak Sangh Gyan Sabha Motihari 1928. Farinder Nath participated at Hindustani Socialist Republican Army 1928 at Delhi. 1929 Political Victim Day was observed in Patna district of Bihar on August 10, 1929 under Rajendra Prasad. All India Women Conference in Patna presided by Lalit Kumari. Moloniya Dakaiti by Yogendra Shukla in West Champaran. Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha November 1929 Sonpur Fair. Chairman Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Secretary Sri Krishna Singh. Other leader Karayanand Sharma, Rahul Sankrityan, Panchanan Sharma, Yadunandan Sharma. Patliputra Yuvak Sangh Ramkrishna Beni Puri started Yuvak monthly magazine from Patna. Ambika Kant Sinha. Bihar Naujawan सम्मेलन प्रजापति मिश्रा मुंगेर. फर्स्ट यूथ डे ऑन 14 अप्रैल 1929. 1930 सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट डिक्लेयर्ड. लाहौर कांग्रेस दिसंबर 1929. पूर्ण स्वराज रिजोल्यूशन पास्ट. 26 जनवरी 1930 इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑब्जर्व अक्रॉस इंडिया इंक्लूडिंग बिहार. 12 मार्च 1930 गांधी स्टार्टेड दांडी मार्च. बिहार ओनली एसोसिएट एमंग गांधीज 78 was गिरिवरधारी चौधरी of कुशेश्वर स्थान दरभंगा known as कारो बाबू मैथिली गांधी. Dr. Rajendra Prasad drafted the Salt Satyagraha plan in Bihar, fixing 6 April 1930 as its start date. 31 मार्च 3 अप्रैल 1930 जवाहरलाल नेहरू visited सारण चंपारण मुजफ्फरपुर. 15 अप्रैल 1930 salt satyagraha in Bihar, making salt from salty soil in Champaran and Saran. 16 अप्रैल 1930 पटना नखासपिंड नियर मंगल टैंक. 6 मई 1930 स्ट्राइक एट पटना भागलपुर लेड बाई महादेव लाल शरीफ. एट बिहपुर भागलपुर वॉलंटियर सेट अप अ रेगुलर कैंप practice Tathi play. Goat seized the salt satyagraha camp, leading to agitation, resignation of 130 चौकीदार and 6 legislative council members resigned in protest. श्री कृष्ण सिंह मुंगेर. जगत नारायण पटना. राम दयालु मुजफ्फरपुर. अब्दुल बारी सिद्दीकी. राजेंद्र प्रसाद and Acharya Kripalani was assaulted by police. Rai Bahadur Dwarkanath resigned from Bihar Legislative Council to protest the lathi charge on Rajendra Prasad and Professor Abdul Bari. Patna Swadeshi League by Ali Imam. Other activities: boycott of foreign cloth and liquor shop. Chakidari tax stopped in Saran, Champaran, Shahabad, Purnia, Munger, Patna. Swadeshi League May 1930 established with Sir Ali Imam as president. Chhapra jail prisoner boycotted foreign cloth. Launched Nangi Hartal. 30 जून 1930 कांग्रेस डिक्लेयर्ड इलीगल. 5 जुलाई 1930 राजेंद्र प्रसाद अरेस्टेड, सेंटेंस टू 6 months to हजारीबाग जेल. नॉमिनेटेड दीप नारायण सिंह भागलपुर एज हिज सक्सेसर. मैग्नेटिक लैंटर्न लेक्चर कैरिड आउट इन मुजफ्फरपुर. योगेंद्र शुक्ला अरेस्टेड इन कनेक्शन विद तिरहुत कंस्पिरेसी. 1931 बेगूसराय फायरिंग. 26 जनवरी 1931 लीडर रघुनाथ ब्रह्मचारी. डीएसपी बशीर अहमद ordered firing. 6 killed including martyr at Chandrasekhar Singh, Ramchandra Singh, Chattu Singh, Banarsi Singh. Prominent. बिहार सोशलिस्ट पार्टी. 1931 by फूलन प्रसाद वर्मा, जेपी नारायण, गंगा शरण सिन्हा, राम वृक्ष बेनीपुरी and रामनंद मिश्रा. Precursor of Bihar Congress Socialist Party. 1932 तारपुर मासेकर. 15 फरवरी 1932 इन मुंगेर. चंद्रमा सिंह एंड बैकुंठ शुक्ला मर्डर्ड फणींद्र नाथ घोष at बेतिया because he turned into approver and gave evidence which led to execution of Bhagat Singh. Sukhdev Rajguru. 6 नवंबर कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन प्रिवेंशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी एट अंजुमान इस्लामिया हॉल पटना प्रिसाइडेड बाय राजा राधिका रमन प्रसाद सिंह 1933 गांधी प्रपोज इंडिविजुअल CDM around 900 people jailed in Bihar 1934 15 January 1934 earthquake Munger most affected Rajendra Prasad headed relief committee Bihar Congress Socialist Party formally inaugurated at Anjuman Islami Hall Patna President Acharya Narayan Dev Secretary Jay Prakash Narayan other member Ram Briksh Beni Puri Ganga Sharan Singh Abdul Bari Yogendra Shukla contribution spread socialist idea mobilized farmer and laborers 1935 All India Depressed Class League formed under Babuji Jagjeevan Ram थर्ड सेशन ऑफ बिहार किसान सभा हाजीपुर चेयरमैन स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती 1936 बिहार प्रोविंशियल किसान सभा मुंगेर बरहिया टाल प्रोटेस्टेड लैंडलॉर्ड ऑपरेशन लीडर कार्यानंद शर्मा ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा फॉर्म्ड 11 अप्रैल 1936 लखनऊ चेयरमैन स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती सेक्रेटरी NG रंगा ऑब्जेक्टिव सॉल्व फार्मर प्रॉब्लम फाइट लैंडलॉर्ड ऑपरेशन प्रोमिनेंट राइटिंग ऑफ स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती हुंकार किसान क्या करे किसान कैसे लड़ते रहे झारखंड के किसान सभा के संस्मरण खेत मजदूर क्रांति और संयुक्ता मोर्चा गीता हृदय जमींदारी का खात्मा कैसे हो किसानों को फंसाने की तैयारियां मेरा जीवन संघर्ष कर्मकलाप 1937 बिहार असेंबली इलेक्शन जैन 1937 कांग्रेस कंटेस्टेड 107 आउट ऑफ 152 सीट 198 एब्सोल्यूट मेजोरिटी इन लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल 2 नो मुस्लिम विनर फ्रॉम मुस्लिम लीग इन बिहार सचिदानंद डिफीटेड कांग्रेस कैंडिडेट गवर्नर MG Hallett invited Sri Krishna Singh to form government but he refused without assurance of non-interference. Interim cabinet formed by Muhammad Yunus Independent Party on 1 April 1937. Muhammad Yunus became the first Indian Chief Minister, Prime Minister of Bihar. First Congress Cabinet 20 July 1937. Chief Minister Sri Krishna Singh, Speaker Ram Dayalu Singh, Deputy Speaker Abdul Bari, Advocate General Baldev Sahai. 1937 से 38 बकस्त किसान सभा अगेंस्ट जमींदारी सिस्टम लैंडलॉर्ड स्नैचिंग लैंड राइट लीडर स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती कंट्रीब्यूटर यदुनंदन शर्मा गया यमुना दरभंगा शरण राहुल संकृत्यान अन्नवाड़ी अंबाड़ी स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती लीडर ऑफ बकस्त movement in Bihar against tenant eviction works self-cultivated land movement opposed tenant eviction by zamindar arrested during Quit India movement 28 April observed as All India Swami Sahajanand Day by Subhash Chandra Bose and Forward Bloc. Bose held him as a undisputed leader of India's peasant movement and idol of other masses. 1938 30 January 1938 Congress at its Haripura session passed a resolution advocating for the release of political prisoner. February 1938 Sri Krishna cabinet announced resignation, demand release of political prisoner in Andaman and Nicobar. Prisoner released cabinet stay. Momin Congress funded 1938 by Abdul Qayyum Ansari to counter Muslim League influence in Bihar. Muslim League 1938 session at Patna headed by Jinnah. Adivasi Mahasabha 1938 formed under Theodore Surin, president, later led by Ram Jaypal Singh. 1939 31 अक्टूबर 1939 कांग्रेस कैबिनेट इन बिहार resigned in protest against India's forced involvement in World War II without Congress consent. अंबाड़ी सत्याग्रह 1939 राहुल संकृत्यान active in Chhapra during NCM. Original name Kedar Nath Pandey, known as father of Hindi traveler literature work अतिथि अथाथो गुमकड़ जिज्ञासा 80 के दुर्गम भूखंडों में तिब्बत में 1.25 वर्ष मेरी यूरोप यात्रा वोल्गा से गंगा रेवरा सत्याग्रह यदुनंदन शर्मा अगेंस्ट जमींदार 1940 इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह लॉन्च बाय गांधी पीस प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट अगस्त ऑफर एंड कॉलोनियल रूल फर्स्ट सत्याग्रही इंडिया आचार्य विनोबा भावे सेकेंड जवाहरलाल नेहरू थर्ड ब्रह्मदत्त, फर्स्ट सत्याग्रह बिहार श्री कृष्ण सिंह, सेकेंड फ्रॉम बिहार अनुग्रह नारायण सिंह, अदर लीडर गौरी शंकर सिंह गया, श्याम नारायण सिंह सिलाब नालंदा, 54 सेशन ऑफ INC रामगढ़ झारखंड 1940, चेयरमैन मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद, डिसीजन अपोज ब्रिटिश पार्टिसिपेशन इन वर्ल्ड वार II। In the same year, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sahajanand Saraswati organized a separate meeting against Congress. Jayaprakash Narayan arrested for a speech delivered at Jamshedpur in Feb 1940. अप्रैल 13 से 14 1940 बिहार मुस्लिम लीग मेट एट छपरा सपोर्टेड लाहौर रिजोल्यूशन, डिमांड ऑफ सेपरेट पाकिस्तान, अप्रैल 1940 पाकिस्तान डे इन बिहार इंडिया, 23 मार्च 1940 1941 बिहार फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक कॉन्फ्रेंस इन छपरा, 1942 क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट लॉन्च, 8 अगस्त 1942 गांधी जी स्लोगन डू और डाई, 9 अगस्त 1942 कांग्रेस लीडर अरेस्टेड, राजेंद्र प्रसाद सेंट टू बांकीपुर जेल, बालदेव सहाय रिजाइन एज एडवोकेट जनरल इन प्रोटेस्ट, 11 अगस्त 1942 पटना सेक्रेटेरिएट स्टूडेंट्स प्रोसेशन अटेम्प्ट टू होस्ट फ्लैग, DMWG आर्चर ordered firing, 7 martyrs, many injured, Sri Krishna Singh scolded him, known as 7 martyrs of Bihar, Ram Gobind Singh दशरथ पटना, रामानंद सिंह शहादत नगर पटना, जगपति कुमार खराठी गया, सतीश प्रसाद झा खरहरा भागलपुर, राजेंद्र प्रसाद बनवरचक सारण, उमाकांत सिन्हा नरेंद्रपुर सारण, देवी पद चौधरी सिलाहत जमालपुर, रामकृष्ण सिंह 8 martyrs hosted flag on secretariat, martyrs memorial built in front of Patna secretariat, foundation by Governor Jai Ram Daulat Ram, unveiled formally in 1956, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, 12 अगस्त 1942 complete strike in Patna against firing incident, most affected Patna, formed परशुराम दल, सियाराम दल, महेंद्र गोप दल, सारण came under the special criminal court, Azad Dasta formed in Nepal, founder Jayaprakash Narayan escaped Hazaribagh jail on 9 नवंबर 1942, दिवाली नाइट विथ रामनंदन मिश्रा, सूरज नारायण सिंह, योगेंद्र शुक्ला, गुलाबी सिनार, शालिग्राम सिंह, JP become a national leader, first assembly at Samili Purnia led by Kamal Nath Jha, training camp Rajvilas Forest Nepal, director Sardar नित्यानंद सिंह, लीडर राम मनोहर लोहिया, अरुणा असफ अली, सूरज नारायण सिंह, योगेंद्र शुक्ला, रामनंद मिश्रा, अच्युत पटवर्धन, जयप्रकाश नारायण, रेडियो प्रोपेगेंडा राम मनोहर लोहिया. By mid-1943, most leaders were arrested. Activities slackened. 10 अगस्त दीप नारायण सिंह of भागलपुर arrested from Bidhौली आश्रम by लालगंज पुलिस. 13 अगस्त ध्रुव कुमार killed while hosting flag in कटिहार, ध्रुव दल in कटिहार. 13 अगस्त पुलिस is our brother by सारण women. Student captured a train, renamed it Swaraj train. सुबान फुलेना प्रसाद श्रीवास्तव shot dead while hosting flag. Silbhadra Yaji forward block prosecuted during World War II due to Netaji link. Main center in Bihar, Gandhi Maidan, then Patna lawn, renamed after Gandhi ji death 1948. Casualty in Quit India Bihar, 15,000 imprisoned, 87-83 punished, 134 martyred, 362 injured. 11 सितंबर 1942 in House of Commons, British politician Ahmedi state disturbance in Bihar, an important area. BN Mandal Madhepura, Shanti Devi Chhapra, local Thana Panchayat, self-governing body in Tarapur Munger. 1943 Asha Sahai joined Subhash Chandra Bose Azad Hind Fauj. 1946 election of 1945-46 Congress got 6 general seat out of 10 from Bihar Central Assembly. Out of 152 seat in state legislature, Congress on 98, Muslim League on 34. 30 मार्च 1946 कांग्रेस फॉर्म गवर्नमेंट अंडर श्री कृष्ण सिंह. 12 अप्रैल 1946 गवर्नमेंट लिफ्टेड बैन फ्रॉम कांग्रेस सोशलिस्ट पार्टी एंड JP was released. December 9, 1946 फर्स्ट मीटिंग ऑफ कंस्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली अंडर सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा. आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम जापान, आशा सहाय ट्रेंड वुमेन इन डिफेंस. डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे 16 अगस्त 1946. 1947 इंडिया बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन 15 अगस्त 1947. जयराम दास दौलत राम was appointed as governor of Bihar. Laid the foundation of Martyrs Memorial in Patna to honor student killed in secretariat firing. 1948 Patna lawn renamed Gandhi Maidan after Gandhi ji death. 1950 फर्स्ट लैंड रिफॉर्म, फर्स्ट जमींदारी एवोल्यूशन एंड फर्स्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन अमेंडमेंट। 1956 मार्टियर्स मेमोरियल अनवील्ड एट पटना सेक्रेटेरिएट बाय डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। 1967 फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल इंक्वायरी कमीशन इन इंडिया इन बिहार इन 1967। 1974 5 जून जेपी, सेकेंड जंग ए आज़ादी, टोटल रिवॉल्यूशन। 1982 महात्मा गांधी सेतु ब्रिज इनॉग्रेटेड बाय इंदिरा गांधी, कनेक्टेड पटना एंड हाजीपुर। 2005 मोस्टेड लूटेड जहानाबाद जेल।